Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. Yesterday, Unihertz announced the next generation of Unihertz Tank, and it's not going to be Unihertz Tank 5, instead they are jumping to Unihertz Thank X. According to information released so far, the Unihertz Thank X will be specialized rugged smartphone designed with a focus on hardware expansion and extreme battery capacity, but still not as powerful as the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro in terms of battery capacity. In terms of build, the phone will measure around 31.9 mm in thickness, and it will weigh around 750 grams. The device is built around a double-sided mainboard layout to accommodate its internal components. And as for core specifications, the device runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 platform, utilizing 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The display is a 6.78-inch IPS panel with an FHD Plus resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate. For power, it uses a 17,600 mAh dual-cell battery that supports 120-watt wired fast charging and 10-watt reverse charging. A primary feature of the Tank X is still its built-in DLP laser projector. It outputs at 1080p resolution with a luminance of 220 lumens and includes laser autofocus effective up to 3 meters. Additionally, the chassis includes a dedicated camping light system and RGB warning lights. The audio system consists of a smart PA speaker with a 3.5 cubic centimeters chamber capable of 97 decibel output, supported by dual silicone noise reduction microphones. As for camera configuration, the rear camera system is comprised of 3 distinct modules, with main camera being 50 megapixel sensor. The secondary camera is a 64 megapixel night vision sensor paired with 4 infrared lights. And the third camera is an 8 megapixel SK Hynix sensor providing 3x optical zoom. The front-facing camera uses a 50 megapixel OmniVision sensor. The Unihertz Tank X is expected to come with 5G connectivity and a dual nano SIM support. A 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C 2.0, and NFC. Release date has not been announced, but it is expected to be released by February of this year. Make sure you subscribe for more information about this phone and future updates if you are interested in getting this phone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.